Hi everyone, welcome to today's short training session. My name is Ruwaida and I'm part of the supplier success team here at Way2. I have placed everybody on mute. However, please feel free to send any questions through the chat functionality and I will try to answer all the questions after the session. So today we'll be looking at how to utilize the embed widget function, which allows you to add content to your website. So the embed widget is a standalone application that can be embedded into third-party sites. The way to embed widgets showcases your product content with photos, room types, videos, features, and descriptions directly from your Way2 account onto your website. Updates that you make directly on your website, on your iBrochure, will directly filter through to the website once changes had been made, so that all the information on your website can be up to date at the click of a button. Why add your supplier content to your website? It saves you time uploading content on both platforms. It builds brand loyalty by maintaining consistent content across platforms. It improves efficiency and use as it is an instant distribution tool for live content. It lowers your marketing costs by utilizing available tools within Way2. It enhances your credibility by professionally presenting live content to the trade. So let's take a look at how to embed your content as a widget. So in order to do this, you would need to go to the Way2 website and scroll down to the content portal, which you will find under support, free content. Once this opens up, you need to select a region in which you'd like to choose the iBrochure from. So let's go with Africa for now. Once selected, it will open up a list of iBrochures within the selected region, and then you can search for the property you would like to embed to your website. So for now, let's choose Abbey Manor Luxury Guest House. So if you scroll down to the property you're looking for, you can click embed. And once you click embed, you can use the frame, this iCode frame over here, to embed the widget to your website. So you can just close this, and then next I'm going to show you how to embed your iBrochure to your website from your account. So all you need to do is you need to log into your account and scroll to the iBrochure search tab. So you can search for your property by name, you can search by iBrochure type, you can click the advanced search, and then you can search by product category type, stars and country. But whichever account you are logged into, the property will automatically be listed right on top. So all you need to do is click the embed tab over there, and this box will pop up, which allows you to use this iframe code, and we advise you to give the code to one of your web developers or the person in charge of your website for them to use, so that it can be embedded to your website. So that is basically it for embedding your iBrochure as a widget and to your web and from your account. So I'd just like to show you an example over here is what the iBrochure will look like as a widget on your website. So over here you'd see here is the images, and you can just scroll for them over here, and you'd see we have the powered by Way2 over at the bottom there. That is when you embed it as a widget. And over here, if you do embed it in your account, you will find the Way2 icon over there. If you click on that, it will basically open up your iBrochure. So that is basically it for the short training session. If no one has any questions, you can always get a hold of us at suppliers@way2.com or support@way2.com, or check out our YouTube videos for more help and tips on how to make the best use of your iBrochure.